Good evening, ma'am.
Evening, everyone.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you, ma'am?
Hi. Who's this? Very
Good
happy.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
How are you, ma'am? Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Everyone.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we was not able to join the class.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we
Because,
were. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, are we going to continue our
Are we going to continue the verbs?
Ma'am, are we going to continue articles today?
Ma'am, today we will do some
today-
exercises, ma'am.
Children, I'm going to give you, you're going to
Ma'am, this is
practice
Monica's
the
class, ma'am.
it's going to be
Can-
practice. Articles practice session exercise. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All have to, at any cost, work out properly and do it. 1 second. Let me see. Where is it?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we do by our own?
I'll just,
Ma'am, we should do by our own.
no, I'll just give it to you. 1 second. Hold on.
Ma'am, we can't do by our own.
What will you do by your own? Tell me. How will you do?
Ma'am, the questions you're telling that you will
By using a and the.
Yeah, ma. What we'll do is, what we'll do, one by one, we'll try to sort it out. I'm just searching for the file. 1 second. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll search for the file and I'll get back. 1 second. Hold on.
Okay, ma'am. Are we going to write?
Yes. Grammar means you have to write. Maths and grammar both are writing sessions. Right?
My doubt is that are we going to do it like by ourselves?
Yes.
Ma'am, you
Without
can,
any
ma'am,
help.
one question you can tell how to do it, and next one, that onwards we will do by our own, ma'am. We can do it.
Okay. I'll tell you. Nothing to worry. I'll tell you. Okay. Okay, children.
Ma'am, your presentation is struck.
It's not stuck. Can you all see now? Can you see anything?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, only your file. Ma'am, only
No,
your
ma'am.
file.
We can only see the file name.
Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, first you open that and again open.
Now it's coming, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 second. Hold on.
Ma'am, now it is not coming, ma'am.
Children, just
Ma'am's
hold on.
pointer is
Okay.
moving. That
Now
means
it is not coming, ma'am. No, also it is not coming.
Children, you have to wait, children. You
Ma'am, now
can't
come,
keep telling the
now
same
come.
thing.
yes, ma'am.
Article exercise for
Ma'am, now we can. It is coming.
Now, first work, what you're going to do, you are all going to mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. I will call out the names. Whoever is ready, raise your hand. I will call their names. Okay. Finish this exercise, raise your hands. Hardik, what is your problem? Before I start, why do you lift your hand?
Ma'am, you said that who will raise and you will ask them.
Yeah, you finish, no? Finish writing and then do it, no? Please finish writing and then call me out. Then raise your hand, then I'll call out. Okay, children, start writing this. Do this exercise fast. Write it down. Somebody wanted one, no? I'll solve one for them. Dash dog is dash domestic animal. So what are the articles? A and the. So the dog is a domestic animal. Okay. Whoever had a doubt, I'm just telling you, you have to use a and in the. Okay, children?
Ma'am, don't tell first one, ma'am. Can you tell the second one?
No. Only somebody had a doubt. That's why I told. I don't want any answers leaked out. I will call out the names. Only those people will answer.
Ma'am, should we write this? No, ma'am.
Yes, ma. I think that's what we have been talking, no? From that time. Long time.
Ma'am, I joined now only.
Okay, okay. You write down. Ma. Do the answers, okay? Just don't copy. You can write the answers also and be ready. I'll call out the names.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, we have to write only the answer.
I said write the whole sentence, ma. How can you write the answer? Tell me. You need to write the whole sentence, no?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, can you read 8-1, ma'am? 8-1.
Dash king gave alms. Alms means when you put something for the beggar or somebody who's needy, we call that alms. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is the in the seventh one? In the first word it is
Choir.
told you what.
Choir means when we sing in a group, when all the children sing in a group, no? Usually in church, they all sing in groups. That is called as choir. Dash choir sang dash melodious song.
Me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Miss, the
What
seventh
is
one answer, what will it be, ma'am?
Which one? Which one?
Ma'am, seventh one before the choir.
Choir, choir. Tell me before that he can play that one, huh? Is that a,
Dash choir sang dash melodious song
Yeah,
before the
choir.
choir.
Choir means not choir. Choir means the group of people they sing together. That is called a choir. They usually sung in the churches. On Sundays and all, they sing together. God's hymns.
Which article will come in that?
So you just see what you want. You put it. I can't tell now. Please, I'll tell you later. Kushwant, yes.
Ma'am, can you read that last word in second one, ma'am?
Thoroughly. Let us discuss dash plan thoroughly. Thoroughly means very, very in detail. Thoroughly means in detail.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
If you finish, you have to hold on, ma. Let others also finish, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, even I finished.
I told you, no, everybody has to wait till I start. So please wait.
Finished.
Just mute yourself and wait. Whose name I call, only they will talk. No telling the answers loudly.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Yes, wait till I start.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, not completed, ma'am.
I'm waiting for you only. Write it. People who are not finished, I'm waiting for them only. Please write. I'm waiting, no?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is meaning of melodies?
Melodious, very, very sweet voice. Very sweet.
Okay, ma'am.
Nicely sung. Melodious.
Okay, ma'am, thank you for telling me.
Okay, most welcome. Let me have some water when you're finishing.
Ma'am, I didn't finish, ma'am.
Right, I'm waiting. No, what I'm waiting?
Ma'am, I finished the writing, but I didn't write the answers.
Who will write? Who will write the answer? All have to write the answers.
Ma'am, I'll write the answers and I will tell them.
Yeah, yeah. All have to write the answers.
Ma'am, what's the
Huh?
after the
What? What?
ma'am the 10th one answer?
Answer I will tell, ma. I will show the answers to everybody. Don't worry. You try, no? Try doing it. If you can't, I'll show you the answers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 8th one you can tell, ma'am.
I told you, no, you have to wait till everybody finishes.
Ma'am, question, ma'am.
Question you want. Dash king gave alms to dash beggar. Alms means when you give something to the beggar, money, bread or something, those things are called as alms.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for telling.
I'm done, ma'am.
Children finished?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Those who are not finished, raise your hand. Those who are not finished,
Completed. Can you start asking questions?
Shreyas, write fast.
Finished, ma'am.
Bhumika, write fast. I want all the children in the class to do the work. It's not only for 1 or 2 people. Please mute yourself, all of you. Mute yourself. Children, I told you to mute, no? Please, all of you mute yourself. I can still hear some noise. Who is that who's not understanding?
Ma'am, I'm finished with the answers and the questions.
Yeah. Another 2 minutes I'm giving for those who are not written. Okay. Harshit, read the first one. Harshit.
Dash dog is dash domestic animal. The dog is a domestic animal.
Okay. Next one. Aditya Prakash, read it.
Yeah, ma'am. Let us discuss dash plan thoroughly. Let us discuss the plan thoroughly.
Okay. Third one. Abhirami. Abhirami is absent.
Ma'am, I'm Abhiram, ma'am.
Abhiram, is it? I'm sorry, ma. Tell me.
Third one.
Yeah.
The Ganga is a very long river.
Yeah. Next one. Aditya Prakash.
Yeah, ma'am. I spent dash hour cleaning dash house. Yesterday I spent an hour cleaning the house.
A, it's not A, it is an
What?
hour. An hour. Okay.
Yeah.
An. I'll show you the answers also. Don't worry. Next one. Amoga.
Comes after when we have vowel, ma'am.
Hmm?
And comes when we have vowel, no, ma'am.
Where were you when I was teaching, ma? Who is that? Who's asking so sweetly? Who is that? What's your name? What's your name?
Ma'am, I'm
Narasimha.
Huh?
Lakshmi Narasimha.
Lakshmi Narasimha, you are not there in the last class.
ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Okay, wasn't I telling you? If H is there is honest and H is there in R, we need to use an, because we don't pronounce H that time. That's why, ma. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Go through the notes once again in case you.
Ma'am, but ma'am in house we pronounce it. House.
Her. We
Ma'am, in
pronounce
house.
H. We pronounce H. Her house. That's why. Okay, now don't
So
talk.
that's why you have to put on the right, ma'am. The on the right, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to put the. Okay, next one, fifth one. We'll have lot of things. Lot of things are there. Ma. Next one, third. My God, I forgot. Kushwant, read.
I'm acting European.
Fifth one, ma'am.
Next one, ma. Fifth one, fifth one. Yeah.
I met dash European at dash station. I met a European at the station.
Yeah. Sixth one. Ankit. Sixth one.
Okay, ma'am, but I'll tell it, ma'am. But in the fifth one, European, it's and, right, ma'am?
No, ma. It is A. You people have to still revise.
I know, ma'am.
Listen.
It is
Children.
an, ma'am.
Children, please understand.
It is an, ma'am. It is an, ma'am.
Will you listen to me or you will be repeating the same thing? Will you listen to me what I'm telling? I told you very clearly, though U is a university, we'll use A. European, though it is E, we'll be using A. Last time I wrote it and I told you all also three times. Please look at the notes. It Meta European is correct. Sixth one, can you read, ma?
Okay, ma'am. He can play the guitar.
Okay. Next, seventh one, Bhumika.
Ma'am.
Read my seventh one. Choir sang. Choir. Dash choir sang.
Dash chair.
Choir, ma. Choir sang. Dash melodious song. You don't know the answer?
Chair.
The choir sang. What melodious song?
The melody song.
A melodious song. The choir sang a melodious song. Next one. Anjuta. Next one. Eighth one. Anjuta.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the eighth one.
Dash king gave alms to dash beggar. The king gave alms to a beggar.
Very good. Very good. Ninth one. Chittesh. Ninth one. Chittesh is there? Chittesh.
Aditya Prakash, mute.
All of you are mute, man. No, I don't want any noise. Next is Chittesh is not there. Okay. Vishant is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the ninth one.
The sky was without a
Ma'am,
single
I can
cloud.
tell. Ma'am, can I tell?
Are you Dishant? Who is Dishant?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is
Ma'am, I am
Dishant?
Dishan.
Then who read it now? Okay, Dishant, I want Dishant to tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Dash sky was without dash single cloud. The sky was without a single cloud.
Very good. 10th one, Lakshmi Narayana, Narsimha. Narsimha or Narayana, I don't know. Lakshmi Narsimha, yeah. 10th one.
Free fire.
Sai Prajwal, please mute.
I don't know why you are not muting. Like, what is wrong? Children, mute.
Ma'am, not
Lakshmi is there?
not dash word was said to dash stranger. Not a word was said to dash.
A stranger. Children, what I'll do now is, see, I will show you this thing, answers. Whoever is not written properly, 2 minutes I'll give you. Check your answers. All of you.
Ma'am, you
check your
didn't
answers. Children, just check your answers. If you all have got doubts, please. We'll go to the next one now. I'll give you 2 minutes.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. I said 2 minutes, so you have to wait. I can't start now. Just wait. Others also finishing.
I'm finished.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
What did I tell, ma? I told you, no, others also have to finish. Children, whoever has not written, please write down. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can go, ma'am.
Harshit, you're writing now? Still you're writing, Harshit? Okay, okay, right.
Ma'am, can it also be like a choir sang the melodious song?
It cannot be, because we know
Finish, ma'am.
who are there in the choir, so we always say the. A will become some choir, and you can't use A with choir because we know a particular people are singing. That's the reason we are saying the.
Okay.
It's a determiner, right? That's right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, I'll go to the next one now down. There's one more here, exercise I want you all to do. Can you all see clearly? Any doubt? Any problem? Just tell me. Can you see
No,
it?
ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, we can see.
You can see clearly?
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
can
ma'am, we
see
can
the
see.
question.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay, please write it. Neil Armstrong was dash first man to reach dash. Think and write properly now. Your articles should always be very much correct. Yes, this one. Hardik, you have doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, I don't
Ma'am.
have the. You will tell to resident and you will ask that. That time I.
I'll call you. After you finish, I'll call your name. Put your hand down.
Should we continue the numbers?
Yes,
like,
continue.
after?
Continue the number. Continue the number.
Okay, ma'am.
Harshit, put your hand down. Disha also. Mohit, you have doubt?
No, ma'am. For telling the answer.
Okay, later. I'll call out your names. Pritam, put your hand down. I'll call you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Sorry. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, can you read the fourth one?
Ravi is dash only boy to go on dash trip.
Ma'am, little bit you can zoom in.
You want me to zoom in? Okay. You can't see?
Ma'am, phone is very tough, ma'am.
No, it's not tough. It's easy only. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Ma'am, I'm done with it.
All of you who have finished writing, please, you have to wait till I start. Don't keep telling me I finished. I can't do anything. So you have to wait. All of you have to wait till I start. All have to write the answers also. Surabhi, you finished writing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. The more you children you do exercises, the more you learn articles. You have to keep grammar, especially you have to keep writing and learning. Otherwise, you'll never get it. Okay, children, let's start. Whoever is writing, keep writing, no problem. I'll start off now. Okay.
Still writing.
No, you continue writing, no problem. I'm just telling. I'll keep asking. If your chance, in case your chance comes, you answer only that. Okay.
Ma'am, can I Aditya?
I told you I'll call according to the list. Okay. Dhriti, tell me next first one.
Yes, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Neil Armstrong was the first man to reach
the
moon.
Okay. Next one, Disha.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one.
Sorry, ma'am. I want a letter which you got from the postman.
No, not A, the, because you're pointing at the letter. When you point at something, it is a definite article. So you have to use the. I want a letter which you got from the post office. Third.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then third one. Harshit finished. Huh? I think Harshit read. Anyway, Harshit read.
I want dash letter which you got from. Sorry. Dash lotus is dash beautiful flower. The lotus is the beautiful flower.
No. The lotus is a beautiful flower. Okay. Next. Karthik. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Dash more one gives dash
Ravi.
more
Ravi.
he-
Yeah.
Yeah. Ravi is dash only boy to go on dash trip. Ravi is the only boy to go on a trip.
Yes. Good. Then Kushal.
Yes, ma'am.
Read ma. Next one. Fifth one. Read ma. Kushal, are you there?
Ma'am, can't fourth one be like Ravi is the only boy to go on the trip?
Ravi is the only.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Somebody told them to go on a trip.
Yeah, another 2 minutes you give me, we'll finish this and see the answers down. Okay, just wait. Yeah, Kushal, you're not there. Likita.
And can I say?
Likita, I said. Who's Likita?
I remember my name, ma'am. Ma'am, Likita is not there.
That was Likit, ma'am.
Hey,
Ma'am, my name is Rohit, ma'am.
It's written Likita. Yeah, what can I do? Okay, fine. Tell me, read.
Ma'am, my sister took the test. That's it.
Likit, can you read now?
I'm Lohit, ma'am.
Likit is not there. Okay, fine. Purva.
Lohit, ma'am, it is.
Purva. What's happening to children? Okay. Then Pratham.
It involves two new.
Pratham, can you read the fifth one? Okay. Rochan, can you read the fifth one?
Dash more one gives, dash more he receives. The more one gives, the more he receives.
Okay, sixth one. Sanvi, sixth one.
Ma'am,
Sixth one.
ma'am, the sixth one is the best oranges were sold by a fruit seller.
The fruit seller. Or the fruit seller. Yeah. You're pointing at someone. If you're pointing at someone, it is the. Next one, seventh one. Shreyas.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next one, ma. Seventh one.
Ravi Shankar is a great musician.
Okay. Next, Surabhi. Eighth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Eighth one.
It was dash proud moment for me when I received the prize from dash the president. It was a proud moment for me when I received the prize from the president.
Okay, Swarali. Ninth one. Swarali.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. All the wooden furniture was burnt in the fire.
Okay. Tarish. 10th one. Tarish.
Ma'am,
10th one.
Rajesh is the honorable and worthy man.
Why the ma? And no, I told you, no, when it is a university, European,
Ma'am.
and. H is silent over there. H is silent. Honorable man. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can you see the answers? All of you check your answers once. Just check your answers, children.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
the 10th one, Rajesh is the horrible. It is pointing on Rajesh, no, ma'am.
Let it go, yeah.
Ma'am, so the will not come.
No, because we have a vowel no here. When the vowel is there, vowel only will come. The won't come.
Ma'am, somebody had told Ravi is the only boy to go on a trip, but it's the trip.
Okay, fine. Yeah, the trip. See, the difference I'll tell you. A trip means any trip. You don't know where the person is going. Ravi, where is going, don't know. But if you know where the person is going, then you will say the trip. That is the only difference. Okay. If you don't know where the person is going, it can become A. But if you know the person where is going, then it becomes the. Okay, children, check out fast. One more is there. Lot of exercise we have to do. Again, we won't take articles. That's all. Today is the last day for articles. All you will have to learn on your own. Again, only test I'll give you. That's all. Check your answers, everybody.
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, in the question of 8th one, they have told when I received the prize, but here they have given when I received a prize.
Oh, the 10th one in the question, it is written the, is it? No. What was written in the question?
Ma'am, I told in 8th one.
8th one, what was the question? It was a proud moment for me when I received.
It was written the prize. It was written the prize, and now it's written a prize.
But actually, it is a prize only, because when you stand for prize award this thing function and all, you don't know which prize you're going to get. No, if it is the means you know exactly which prize you're getting. But in award function, you don't know. So it is a prize only. When you don't know something, it will become a and an. If you know something,
So, ma'am, how will be, ma'am, example, they will be given two options, the or a, but then we will not know if that person or that subject will know or not. So what we should put?
See, now in this case, it was a proud moment for me, means this person, whoever that person, for me, when I received a prize. He received a prize from the president, but he doesn't know which prize he's getting. There'll be so many prizes lying down. He got one of them. That time you have to choose A. If it was different, like it was a proud moment for me when I received the Olympic prize. The Olympic prize will be one particular style. Like, you know, you got silver, you got bronze, you got gold. So that time you can write down.
Bravery prize also, ma'am.
What prize?
And bravery prize.
That's what. What I'm saying is, when you know, listen children, when you know what it is, you can use the. When you don't know what it is, you use a or an according to the vowel placement. Okay, children, can I go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, you can go to the next slide.
Okay.
8 question.
Okay, do fast,
The
do fast.
blank was
It was a proud moment for me when I received a prize from the president.
in the
Ma'am, I have it.
place, ma'am, there was the question.
I'm telling you, Nama, write A. I'm telling all the time. I'm explaining the same thing now. Write A, ma. Yeah.
What is the meaning of worthy in the 10th one?
Worthy
The
means
words.
somebody who is really worth it. Now, if you talk about somebody, you know, who is getting good marks in the class, you'll say a meritorious person, the person who is really studying well and getting merit. So like that, a person who is very honest and who is very honest and a good noble person, such people are called worthy person. Who have good ideology, who are very noble, such people are called worthy. Means they really have some value.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, children, I'm going down. Whoever is finished, not finished, I don't know. Enough time is given. Okay, children, the last one, you finish it off. After that, we'll do something else. If you have time. Do this, ma'am, fast, all of you.
Ma'am, can we again continue the numbers?
Yes, continue the numbers. Now, whosoever name I have not called out, only after finishing, not now. Only they will put their hands on top. Whose name is not been called. I think Dhriti's name was called. Mohit is not called. Preetham was not called. Okay. Dhriti, you answered, no, ma'am? Okay, okay, good. Abhiram, your name was called. Only children. Ankit, your name also was called. Whose name was not called, only they will answer.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yeah.
Then I also have doubt, ma'am.
Tell no fast. You have to write also. No doubts only. You should write also.
Here,
They're necessary. In the first question, she started going to school when she was 3. Ma'am, 3 again. What is the meaning of that sentence, ma'am? And where should we? There is no necessary to put here, ma'am.
See, when it is not necessary, you don't put it. When it is necessary, you put it. That's what I mean to say. Okay. Here, everything is fine. Everything is correct. She started going to school when she was 3 is correct. But when she was 3 years old, she started to go into school. So that is correct. There is no article required. Okay. Then second one, you might need an article. Just check where the article is required. Go on putting the article. Just you have to read and understand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the first one, can it come like she started going to the school?
Yeah, you can say that also. She started going to the school when she was 3. That also it's okay.
Ma'am, it can also come like she started going to a school.
No, the school, because she knows which school she's going, no? So the definite article.
Ma'am, but she might be going, she might not know, right?
See, I'll tell you one thing. Just don't put anything. That's all. Just leave it off. I can tell you only that. I can only suggest that. We cannot argue on these things, ma. See, English is a language where you learn to do sentence construction. We cannot say, okay, I can do this also. I can do that also. Then what is the need for grammar? Tell me, why do we need to learn grammar? We can do whatever we want, no? I'm telling you, when you know something, we are definite of something, then use the. Otherwise, just use a and an. You should be definite, not that girl. You should be definite. Children, please finish fast. Hardik, tell the first one.
Ma'am, we don't. It is not necessary, ma'am, to put the article.
Hardik, read the first one.
She started going to school when she was 3.
Okay. So you want to put or you don't want to put the article? Your wish. You want to do it?
Ma'am, no.
Okay, fine. Next one. Who is the next one? Dhriti. I think Dhriti already read. Anyway, read it, ma. Dhriti. Okay. Mohit, read the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Countrymen fought bravely against the enemy.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, the answer is country.
Yeah, the enemy. Okay. Third one. Disha, third one.
Ma'am, can you hear me, Dhriti?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear.
Sri Lanka is island in Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is an island in the Indian Ocean.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, Disha read, no.
Mohit read. Mohit read.
No, ma'am, Disha read, no, ma'am.
Yeah, Disha.
Ma'am.
Mohit read.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Preetham, read the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, third one.
Fourth.
Leopard is as
Ferocious.
ferocious as an. Leopard is an. Ma'am, leopard is as the ferocious
as a lion. A leopard, A will come, a leopard. A leopard is as ferocious as a lion. Next one, I don't have any names here. Preeti is there? Anybody Preeti? Abhishek, Preeti?
Yes, ma'am. Preeti.
Okay, read Preeti, next one. Preeti, read ma'am. Fifth one, Preeti. Both the Adityas finished reading? Aditya, Gautam and Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rochan finished?
Sairam Skanda, ma'am.
What's your name?
Ma'am, he didn't read, no, ma'am.
Who?
Sairam Skanda.
Okay, read, ma, read. Read the next one.
Ma'am, I didn't get chance, ma'am.
Sai, read the fifth one. Sai, you're taking a lot of time. Our time is getting over. Okay, next one. Yeah, Ankit, read the fifth one fast. Ankit,
Yes, ma'am.
read the fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no, there is no needed article.
Okay, I had bread and butter for breakfast. It's okay. Fine, good.
Ma'am, can I say I didn't?
Sixth one.
Ma'am, can I say I didn't read?
What's your name?
Adarsh, ma'am.
Yeah, Adarsh, read ma fast.
The Greeks were brave warriors in the olden times.
Yes, very good. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, wants to read, ma'am.
Who? Who wants
Lakshmi Narasimha, ma'am.
Let him read fast. Let him read. Lakshmi Narasimha, read fast. Seventh one.
When will uncle leave for Andaman Islands?
When will? When will uncle leave for Andaman Islands? There is no article required over there. Okay, Disha, read the next one. Disha?
Yes. Can I talk to you for a moment? Can I talk to you for a moment?
One moment. Okay. Next, Hardik, read the next one.
Ma'am, seventh one.
Oh yeah. Ninth.
Ninth one, okay. Best place to go on a holiday in summer are hill station.
Is the hill station. The.
Is on.
Ma'am, it's changed. It's changed. Yeah, this is change. That is change. You can say best places. You have to add up. The best place to go on a holiday in summer are the hill stations. The hill station will come. Next one. Mohit, read the last one.
Yes, ma'am. It is time to set sail for England. It is the time to set sail for the England.
No, the. No, the will come. In front of proper nouns, the doesn't come. It is time. Okay, fine. Children, whoever not understood, just see the answers are down. Just check your answers. 2 more minutes are there. I will log off at 25. Can you see the answers? Next week we'll start a new chapter, okay? All of you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you show ninth one?
Finished, ma'am.
Here only it is not down, it's there with the answers. You can see, no?
Ma'am, finish it,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We can see, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
But in the fifth one, ma'am, the fifth one is the necessary.
No, it's
I
not
had
required.
the bread and butter.
It is a typing mistake. The is not required.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't write the.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See you all,
Finished,
children.
ma'am.
See you all next week.
Ma'am,
Bye.
finish I'm writing.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, bye. See you all.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.